Okay guys, this is the first time I'm taking the bee pollen. Okay, so haven't opened. Sometimes I realize when we buy, right, the first step is actually making it a habit, a conscious effort to open up the package and start eating. Yeah, it's good, but if you don't take it, then of course no use. Okay. Okay, this is the seal. This is a sticker seal. Okay, so recommended the 1 to 2 sachet a day. Okay, it can be taken with lukewarm water or as a supplement. Okay, lukewarm. Okay, nice. Wow. Actually, bee pollen is one of the best for the human body. Okay. Super nutritious. I'm currently taking on an empty stomach. Okay, so for asthmatic and hypersensitive allergy sufferer should consume with care. Okay, just okay. Wow. Okay, so one pack filled with nutrients. Okay, a human body needs about only like 45 or 65 nutrients a day. Bee pollen contains 200 nutrients. Okay, 200 plus or 200 nutrients. So you get your entire day's fix. Okay, in just one sachet. Okay. Bee pollen, 双鹤 bee pollen also got in capsule form. Okay, so each time you take is 5 capsules. Okay, but this one packet is equivalent to 5 capsules. Alright, so I'm just gonna take it. Okay, so this is the powder form. Okay, it settles into the water. Okay, interesting, huh? It's a bee color. Okay, it's the orangey color. So I think I will just stir it. Yeah. If you take with the bee guano and eye guano, you will be under the 224, set. Alright. So that is the best combination. Okay. So let me taste it. Okay. I mean, it's like got a bit of those bee or honey taste to it. Very mild, not sweet, not bitter. Okay, so very, stir it a bit. So you see there's some leftover, don't waste it. Expensive, not say expensive lah, okay. $48 for the powder form and 47 for the capsule form. Alright, so that's it. Okay, so this one, based on what I learned so far, is actually for women or men that want to have baby but are not able to. Okay, this is very good, right? Because I believe it's because they cannot give birth yet because lack of nutrients. Some nutrients not sufficient. They cannot produce the necessary cells, hormones to achieve the giving birth, right? So that's why it's so important, right, to get all the nutrients you need, all the minerals, everything. Okay, this is how powerful it is, right? It's like the mother of all the. It's not the most powerful nutrient a baby can take for human is the mother's milk, but this is the nature's second most powerful source of nutrients. So when we can get it all in just one, right, and from the nature, I think there's nothing more powerful than that. Okay, so just keep giving your body the nutrients that it needs, and it's going to perform for you the way that you need it to perform, right? So yes, and also for manhood right, manhood okay, so it's good. Okay, it's gonna give the man the stamina, right? So that's why you see it's actually plays a part in helping couples who want to give birth, right? And so it's very beneficial. Okay, so you improve your couple life, okay, the night couple life, and general well-being. Yes, but of course remember to drink a lot of water. Okay, so that's it, my first time trying. Okay, I broke my virginity. Yes, I'm gonna take this every day because I've been waiting to take this. Right, so I'm doing this business for the passive income, the rebates, so that I can take more of such things. Right, whatever I earn, I'm going to reinvest into my health first. After my health is already fantastic, I'm gonna use it, the passive income, for other areas of my life. Alright, that's all. Cheers.